Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to use ManyChat. Firstly, to get started, you need to create an account on the ManyChat official website. A discount code will appear on click. When you head to ManyChat's website, click on Get Started for free. Now, select Instagram as your platform because we're gonna learn how to use it with Instagram. You need to sign up using your Instagram account, then follow the on-screen steps to connect your Instagram to ManyChat. Now, you're logged in with ManyChat to your Instagram. You'll spend most of your time in this section, Settings, Up, Your Flows, because automation is where everything comes together. When someone comments on a post or sends a message, ManyChat can automatically start a DM conversation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.